So today I will be reading in Hebrew in the book of Numbers chapter 3 verse 40 to 43, and also the parsing and the translation. To start in verse 40, it says, Bayomer, Kal, Wow, consecutive imperative 3, third person masculine singular, and it said, Adonai, Adonai, proper noun, the Lord, El Masih, preposition, and proper noun, to Moses, Tikud, Kal, imperative, masculine singular, number, six, number, call, Bikor, noun, adjective, is every firstborn, Yisrael, preposition, noun construct, the children of Israel, maiden, Hadish, preparation, from one old, Visa, Kal, imperative, masculine singular, the number, Shimutam, noun plus suffix for their names. In short, in verse 40, the translation is, And he said the Lord to Moses, Take a census every firstborn male of the children of Israel from the month old and upward. Take the number of their names. Now let's proceed to the verse 41. Wilakata, Kal, perfect, second person masculine singular, and you shall take El Halwim, direct object noun, the Levites, and then it or li, preposition plus suffix for me, ani Adonai, pronoun proper noun, meaning I am the Lord. Tahat, preposition instead of, and kol bikor noun, every firstborn. Yisrael, preposition among the Israel. Wait, behema, halwayim, objective noun, livestock of the Levites. Behema, bene, Yisrael, preposition among Israel livestock. So the translation of this Hebrew, and you shall take the Levites for me. I am the Lord, instead of every firstborn among Israel, livestock of the Levites. And then verse 42, in Hebrew, Bayikud, when parsing Kal, Wow, consecutive, imperfect, third person masculine singular, mini translation, so he numbered Moses, proper noun, Moses, Kaasher, conjunction, as, just as, Shiwa, feel, perfect, third person masculine singular, commanded, Adonai, proper noun, the Lord, adjective noun, all the firstborn, preparation plus construct among Israel. Now, in verse 43, last one, in Hebrew, Baihi, in parsing Kal plus Wow, consecutive, in perfect, third person masculine singular, and it was called because Zakar, noun, praise, every firstborn male, BMS par Shimot, remote, preposition plus noun, by number of names. Then, Mabin Hadish, preposition noun from 1 month old, Pamahla, conjunction, adjective, upward, Lipa Delem, Dehem, noun plus suffix, according to their count, Shikolas, Shielos, Ha, Chelos, Ha, we have N, numeral 73, Umatayim, numeral 200. So that's it, the Hebrew, the parsing, and then the translation in the book of Numbers chapter 3 verse 40 to 43. God bless us all.